mine is not actually round, mine is pointed. Okay, as you can see, so since it's already like this, I'm going to go ahead and now I see the paper they put on top is to protect any cross bridging, so I'm gonna go ahead and weld this one also. Okay, so I can go ahead and weld this. So I need to shorten this a little bit more, just a little bit more. Just the two tacking is all it's going to need. And we've recreated exactly this side if we keep it like this. Okay, just made a little bit of mistake there, but I think it's gonna be fine. Because it's supposed to be twisted like this, because the panel is sitting right on top of it. Now the next guy we have right here is gonna be this guy. We can decide to reuse this one here, but of what sense does it make? So instead, let's create shorten it a little bit. What does another impressive tools right here? So I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. Don't want it to shut. Okay, and we're good. So as it is right now, we can put back this paper right here. And put this paper back here. Now we can put this one back here. So we'll go ahead and power this guy up and weld it. So we can do the same thing here. And gentlemen and ladies, that is actually the end of this whole show. I want to put some paper here to avoid any abrasion, any short circuiting. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna go ahead and trying to push this down a little bit more. Yes. Now I can push this back just a little bit more and cut off the excess to avoid causing any short circuit. Be careful, because this system right now is fully armed with power. Any little thing there can cause problem to the panel or fire outbreak, so be mindful. I'm gonna go ahead and weld this back so that it's back in place. Okay, here I need a soldering lead. You need to heat it up for it to actually glue back in place. Okay, so from here I'll be soldering this to this. It's not sticking there because I need a new, but it's gonna stick in here. That's why I reuse this one here. You guys have seen it. Okay, it's done. This side is not fully welded to the system, but it's okay so long as it's sitting well and can be able to. You can decide to lose this guy right now, or you can even keep it, so long as you can go back in here. To remove this guy and some debris from the previous to show you guys, this battery is non-new. You can see the glue they used on it previously. So gentlemen and ladies, oh shit, you see, it's good that I actually removed it because it has this soldered and I never knew, so I gotta put it back again. But aside that, every other thing still remains intact. So guys, this is it. So let me clear up this. Be careful. You can use a rubber to scrape if suppose. can do the same thing to this one that we used as a case study. Okay.
Yes. What is? What is?
We are good. So I need to test it for you guys before we go, so you guys know if it is wrongly done. You should start throwing tantrums. Lithium doesn't have time to waste. Okay, guys. Let me see this guy here. So we can. Let's see what we've done. So this is the positive, this is the negative. Let's see how many volts we got. No voltage, probably because they have not charged it. Still no voltage, then something is wrong. Okay, you guys can see it right there. It's 10.86. Check this one. 12.11. So this one needs charging, the one I just finished building. Hope you guys saw it.
Better.
You can see it right there. So that's good. So it's working as it should, so I need to charge it. And let me perform a charging test before I drop the final breakdown of how I got this highly quality battery. Because you need a quality battery. I will still redo this one here because I'm certain it's the battery that's a problem. Most of the ones we bought from China, they come with a fake battery, so it's something that you need to do and rebuild yourself. But I'm certain this one is going to be a lot easier to build than this one. Okay. So let me plug okay, it's plugged. This is the charger. Oh, I'm getting now. Even before putting it there, you put it like this. You see, it's showing red. It's charging. I'm getting now. Okay, let's couple it back. This is the one we use as a blueprint to build. So I'm gonna put it back. I'm supposed to rebuild it just like I did this one here, but I'm gonna do that later. I just decided to show you guys here. Look at it, it's charging. I'm gonna couple it up back to how it was. So you plug it right now. It charge faster, it charge well, but it discharge very fast in less than 6 hours. And this one here, I built it and used a aftermarket panel like I told you guys, and this one has lasted me more than 2 weeks without discharging. I'm talking about light use, not even in a heavy use. So now I found my soldering lead. Let me go ahead and solder this. Let's give this a better soldering so that it doesn't chicken out while in the system. Okay. So now it's strong the way I want it to be. So now I can go ahead and let me go ahead and package it, then we can test it with the case on. Okay. That's it. I'll go ahead and plug it, and look at it there, it's charging, guys. So don't forget to subscribe, share. Now, how did I get this original battery, gentlemen and ladies? I didn't get it from a laptop system. I got it cheap from Anker. And how was I able to get it from Anker? Yeah, I was shopping on eBay, so I found this. This is their Elite 3. And to show you guys, you can see the shell is empty because I've scooped the battery. And I have another one also, which there's another one which is here, the same. So they got problem, and it was a logic board problem. This is how it comes. So if you plug it right now, it's gonna keep blinking, but it's not gonna add. So instead of using it as power bank, I decided I'm going to scoop the battery and use it to do something better. And it served me well working as this one here, as you guys can see. So if you need anything which I've used in this very video here, easy to buy, drop me a comment in the comment section asking me about it, whether be the welding, whether this one here, whether the multimeter, whether this one here, so you get exactly what I have and do exactly what I do. Or even this one here, they are both important, though you can use file, but file cannot scrape it well like this one does. Or even my welding gear. Let me know your thought in the comment section. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Now, if you are to buy this one here, if you find it on eBay, buying the one that is not functional and scoop the battery is going to be